There can be some structural or functional reasons or causes that are causing the hypothyroidism. In this section, we are going to study about the etiology and pathogenesis of the hypothyroidism. So let's study about it. The three main causes of the hypothyroidism are the defective thyroid hormone synthesis, inadequate thyroid parenchyma function, and inadequate secretion of thyroid stimulating hormone. Now, the first one, that is the defective thyroid hormone synthesis. Now, this defect in the synthesis can be due to defect in the stimulation of the thyroid hormone, like the TSH level is not enough to cause the stimulation of thyroid hormone synthesis. Then there can be some developmental defect, like there can be some genetic defect and congenital defects that occur during the development of the thyroid gland, and thyroid gland is not able to synthesize the thyroid hormone. Maybe the baby during its late fetus life, it does not receive enough iodine, or there was the iodine deficiency that lead to the development of the thyroid gland defects, the developmental defects, and there is the thyroid gland is not producing enough thyroid hormone. Then inadequate thyroid parenchyma function. Inadequate thyroid parenchyma function means that the thyroglobin that is present inside the parenchyma cell, and it has to be converted to the thyroid T3 and T4 hormone by iodination. Now, when the parenchyma cells are either infected, inflamed, or they are destroyed, or they are unable to carry the thyroglobin, or unable to convert the thyroglobin to the T3 and T4, this can also cause a decrease in the level of the thyroid hormone. Then again, inadequate secretion of thyroid stimulating hormone. This inadequate secretion can be due to some defects in the pituitary hormone. There can be a disease to the posterior pituitary or pituitary gland, or there can be some defects, central causes, that is causing a decrease in the TRH level and ultimately the decrease in the TSH level. Now, these two causes, that is the pituitary disease and the central disease, they are mostly the rare causes of the disease, and thyroid hormone diseases are mostly due to the congenital defects, genetic defect, and some intrinsic type of the causes, like there may be some infection, thyroiditis can be there can be the immune reaction, autoimmune reaction, that can be the reason of the hypothyroidism. So these are the most common causes of the hypothyroidism, and this central causes and the pituitary gland disease, these are the rare causes of the thyroid hypothyroidism. Then moving to the pathogenesis of the disease. Now, you are familiar with this. We have discussed this sheet of flow diagram, and how the thyroid hormone is released from the thyroid stimulating hormone is released from the pituitary, and then it acts on the thyroid gland, and here it causes the production of T4 and T3 hormone. Now let's discuss that what happened that leads to the hypothyroidism. As I told you that there can be some central disease. Here TRH level is decreased, or there is no production of the TRH. When there is no production of TRH, there will be no production of TSH. When there is no TSH, no action on the receptor of the thyroid gland, and no stimulation of production of the T3 and T4 hormone level. This will cause a decrease in the serum thyroid hormone. Now again, TRH is normal, but there is some defect in the pituitary gland. There is a disease of pituitary gland that is causing hindrance in the production of the thyroid stimulating hormone. So thyroid stimulating hormone is not produced, and consequently the thyroid gland is unable to produce the thyroid hormone. Next, the thyroid regulatory hormone is normal. The level of the thyroid stimulating hormone is never normal, and thyroid stimulating hormone is binding to the receptors on the thyroid gland. But there is some defect in the thyroid gland. There is some genetic defect. There is some defect in the receptors. There is defect in the parenchyma cells. There is some kind of infection, inflammation that is causing death of the cells of thyroid gland. Due to all of these reasons, thyroid gland may not be able to produce the thyroid hormone. That leads to a decrease in the T3 and T4 level inside the body. Now, this thing will keep on signaling the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland to release these stimulating hormones, that there is a decreased level of thyroid hormone inside the body. So ultimately, the TRH level or the TSH level will increase, but this will not affect the thyroid hormone level inside the body, because there is defect in the thyroid gland and it is causing the problem, or it is not producing the hormones.